Hello friends, so today I'm making a soft and moist chocolate cake with coffee flavor. To know the recipe, please watch this full video. First, let's make a sponge cake. Take 1 cup maida, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda. You need to save the dry ingredients. I had already done that. After this, let's make a milk mixture. Here I've got 1.5 cup milk, then add 1 tablespoon coffee. You can use any brand Nescoffee or brew, whatever is available. Then add half cup sugar. After this, add half cup of dark chocolate. Mix well and keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until chocolate and sugar melt completely. Now the chocolate and sugar has melted completely. Switch off the gas. Then add 5 tablespoons melted butter and let it cool down completely. After you mix everything, you need to add this mixture in dry ingredients. Do not add milk mixture in one go. Keep adding little. Mix well until it becomes a smooth texture. The batter looks perfect. After that, you need to grease the mold. Put the butter paper and immediately transfer the batter. Now let's bake the cake. Now in kadai, keep a stand and keep the mold. Cover the lid and cook for 25 minutes on a low flame. So next we need to whip some cream. Take half cup whipped cream in a big bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of Nescoffee. Again, you can take any brand of coffee. Now you need to whisk this cream until it becomes thick. The procedure will take approx 10 to 15 minutes or maybe 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see the whipped cream has become thick. This is how we want. You can keep in the refrigerator before we apply on cake. After 25 minutes, we need to check by using a toothpick. So you can see the sponge cake is ready. Switch off the gas, take it out and cool down completely. After that, transfer the sponge cake on a board. Remove the butter paper. You can see the cake has came out very spongy and very moist. Now cut the cake into 2 layers. Now here I am using a square ring. Just keep on the cake, press it and remove the extra sponge cake. This square ring is easily available in the market. After you cut the half layer, repeat the same method on other layer. So now when you cut the second layer, do not remove from the ring, keep as it is and put some whipped cream on top. Spread all over the cake. Level the cake by using spatula. After this, keep other layer. Again put some cream on top. Again level the cream. Remove the extra cream from the ring and clean the board by using a tissue paper. After this, you need to keep this in refrigerator for some time until we make a chocolate glaze. For chocolate glaze recipe, we need to soak 2 tablespoons of agar-agar in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add 5 tablespoons water in pan, 1 tablespoon fresh cream, 1 tablespoon melted chocolate. Mix everything and we need to keep the flame on low. Then add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix everything. Keep the gas on low flame. Let sugar melt completely. Then add soaked agar-agar. Mix everything and keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until everything melts completely. After this, immediately strain the mixture. You need to do this procedure very quickly because the mixture will get thick. Then immediately pour the mixture on the cake. Spread all over the cake. After you spread the glaze, you need to keep in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove from the refrigerator. Gently take out the ring. You can see the cake has set so perfectly. Now cut into big pieces or the way you want. The cake looks so soft. Try this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.